Boy, am I waiting. I am waiting for that Walking Dead. Season 7. Oh, gotta put on my Walking Dead. Walking Dead vest on. Gotta rock it. For Negan. Alright, guys. Now, this video is talking about how I believe that, I did make a video before the season 6 finale of maybe Negan would kill 2 people. Now, spoilers. Spoiler alert. So if you guys don't want to be spoiled, do not continue with this video, but fuck it. So basically what I'm really believing is that Negan made that video before I did the season 6 finale, that maybe I was right. Maybe I was right. I didn't go back to watch that video, but I think I did put out there that maybe it would be Glenn and Abraham. Now, what I'm getting at is there has been a lot of speculation, a lot of things. There's a lot of set photos. I think Daryl's in the safe zone because little set photos here and there. So I think Daryl is alive. I think Daryl is fine for season 7. But the ones that I don't think who might not make it is Glenn and Abraham. Now, a lot of people have been saying that Negan may not only kill one person of beloved character, but another character. And I think this makes sense that they would do 2. It makes a pretty good impact for Negan. Like in the comics, we know in the comics he kills Glenn brutally. And Glenn is such a fan favorite and lovable character. And he's probably going to continue to do that, to kill Glenn. Because I think Glenn's character is done. I would love to see him expand in that character. It would be kind of a little twist where, okay, it wasn't Glenn after all. It was actually Daryl. But since I believe Daryl's alive, I guess it's reasonable that it would be Glenn. Because Glenn is another super, he's that holy trinity, as we could speak. Rick, Daryl, and Glenn. So Glenn is most likely dead. There's really nothing you could really tell about Glenn. Things Glenn's character has come full circle. Some people who do not like Glenn, is for the fact that all he does is really worry, kind of bitch a lot, and go, where's Maggie at? Make sure Maggie's fine, which is reasonable. That's his wife. Of course he wants to know if Maggie's fine. I don't want to say he bitches a lot, but he does. He's just not the same Glenn as maybe in the previous seasons. But not only that, it just feels like he doesn't have anything to do recently. I think he'd be awesome in a leadership role, but I don't know if AMC or Robert Kirkman would take that and go say, instead of Maggie being that leadership role, have Glenn in there. And I don't want that to happen to Maggie's character, because Maggie's character in the Walking Dead comics is that she does take the hilltop. She is that leadership role. She is the leader. She is the Rick Grimes where she is at in her community. And I think for Maggie in the show, that would be a huge... I could see it. As we've seen throughout the seasons, Maggie can hold her own. She's smart. Diane really trusted her, and Rick trusts her. I think a relationship between Rick and Maggie, of course, more of a friendship, could really grow between the two. So I really do like the fact that let's keep Glenn dead and let's let Maggie progress as a character. Another character that I think might bite the dust, that will probably bite the dust if my video comes true, where Negan kills 2 people, is Abraham. Abraham is he has a target on his back. This guy should have died a while back ago. Instead of Denise getting shot by the arrow, it was supposed to be Abraham. Now, a lot of good things are happening about Abraham. Now, we know in the comics it differs somewhat in the TV show. He doesn't really get with Holly. He's getting with Sasha, which is kind of cool. I like that. It's weird, but it's I could dig it. But I really do believe that Abraham, a lot of, especially his conversation with Sasha in the truck, it really leads me to believe that, and especially Negan's line, he's taking it like a champ. That could be Glenn. That could be most likely Glenn, because we know Glenn is, boy got heart. But that could be Abraham as well. He was ready to get that bat right on his dome. So I could really see Abraham biting the dust, because these are 2 characters in the story that's at this point that are not there, just like in the comic. Now, Morgan's not really supposed to be here, but I do like the fact that Morgan's still alive, because he differs a lot from the comic, and he needs to be redeemed. His character needs to be redeemed, because I think they gave him a shitty little outcome in last season. I really did not like Morgan, which I don't want to feel that way. So if it was two people, if I had to put money on the two people who die next season on season 7, and we start off with Negan bashing somebody's head, I think the first one to go, maybe Abraham. He might get bashed on the head first, and then it will be Glenn. Now, that is only if two people end up dying in the season 7 premiere of The Walking Dead. Now, I can see that happening as well. I can see AMC saying, look at the backlash that's going on. Look, we've been planning for this season 7 premiere to be a major kind of crazy moment, and we took away your moment from the ending of season 6, but we're going to give you a crazier moment in the opening of our season 7 and make you guys excited and make you guys want to tune in and watch more. So I would see AMC really saying, instead of Negan killing one, let's get 2 in there. And that would make us more intrigued of what happens to this group. It would make Negan really, really establish that this guy is a force to be reckoned with. Nobody is safe. Of course, the only 2 people who are safe is Carl and Rick. These 2 characters are not going to die until the end of the series. Also, we're discussing, I'll make a previous video. I'm going to make another video discussing how everybody has been saying that the comic and the show is going to end at the same time. I will be talking about that in my next video about The Walking Dead. We know the new issue is coming out from The Walking Dead, which is bananas. I mean, the last issue of The Walking Dead just blew my mind. It blew your mind too, right, Mike? So I want to say, I just really wanted to speak a little bit more of that. Maybe, Negan's kills come in 2s, because it could be Abraham and it could be Glenn. Those are the only 2 possibilities if they wanted to kill off 2 characters in the season 7 premiere. Oh, my light just went out. My light just went out. So what can I say? I guess it's just The Walking Dead. I'll see you guys later. I'm Dan Making Dan's son. You always subscribe to my channel. Like the video if you like it. Comment below. Love to hear your guys' thoughts. Until next time, man. Until that, Walking Dead. And Fear the Walking Dead is coming back on. So it's going to be interesting. They did kill off Daniel. Bro, really sad about that. But I said this was a spoiler video. Don't hate me. All right. See you guys later. Bye.